putting the pictures of the books up here. You know, they have the visuals to reference. Every slide's different, so they know the routine, where we're going next. Core 5, they know exactly what they need from the pictures. And basically they just know the timeline, the routine, because they see the same slides every day. And so they know which is coming up next. So they know the expectations of that subject. And so they know where to go and what to do. And then of course we get to things like this, where they're independent work. Or we have, you know, our math videos that we do. They know they come to the rug for that. And then again, book problems. They know what book to get, what page to be on. And I don't have to repeat myself. And so it really just provides that routine and that structure to let them kind of lead themselves. I make, you know, slides that look like the book problems. So that way, once we're doing the actual lesson together, they're seeing the same format in the book. And so that way they're not surprised. So like here, they have to write the number. And I call the kids up to do this. I don't ever really teach like just myself. Math especially, I like figuring this out and doing the pictures and things, because they can come up and they write the answers and they do the stuff. And so it's interactive. That's why I like Canva for this, because it really allows them to interact with the stuff instead of me just like feeding them information.